red hat on Chase. Yellow hat on Chase. Yellow goggles on Sky. Green goggles on Sky. Pink hat on Marshall. Blue hat on Marshall. Orange hat on Marshall. Oh, hey, PJ Masks. What do you want, Romeo? Oh, I just want to play with a new gumball dispenser with you guys. Should we let him, Catboy? Okay, just this once. He seems to be pretty nice today. Alright, we've got this super cool gumball tower maze. It comes out and goes left or right and left down a little maze pattern. So neat. I think we should get this out and get it put together. Let's do it. Alright, our gumball machine is out of the box. Let's go ahead and get the gumballs in so we can see this thing at work. Alright, looks like you just twist off the top and we'll take the paper out of it. And it came with this bag of gumballs, so we'll just get that opened up. I just made a little snip with my scissors. But I don't know about you, that's not quite full enough for me. Thankfully, I've got some other gumballs here that I can fill it up with. Hopefully they don't spill everywhere. Whoa, my cup broke. Alright, I think we're locked in. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, let's see how this thing works. Alright, let's give it a turn and see how it works. There goes one! Whoa! How fun! That was a purple one. Let's see it close up again. Alright. There goes a white one! That is so fun to watch. Oh, and another white one. Here comes a purple. Oh, let's see if we can get some other colors. Another white, do you believe it? And another one. Whoops, that one got stuck. Here's a blue. Oh, and it fell off. And a green. It's fun to watch it go down the maze. And orange. Now pink. Oh, I don't know why it falls off there sometimes. We'll just put it back in. All right, we're ready to play our gumball game. It's Team PJ Masks versus Romeo. Which team are you on? Are you Team PJ Masks or Team Romeo? Let me know in the comment section. So here's how we'll play. I'll turn our gumball machine so that we get 10 gumballs. And the blue gumballs will go to Catboy, green gumballs will go to Gecko, red gumballs go to Owlette, and all the other colors will go to Romeo. Whoever gets the most gumballs wins the game. Let's get started. Here I go, turning our machine. Oh, our first one is purple. And orange. Now blue. Red. Whoa, our red's trying to get away. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Orange. And our last one's purple. Let's divide them up and see who got the most. All right, our first one's purple, which doesn't match our PJ Masks, so it goes to Romeo. Same with the orange one. Here's blue. That's for Catboy. Red for Owlette. Pink doesn't match PJ Masks, so it goes to Romeo. Yellow's for Romeo too. Uh-oh, he's doing pretty good so far. Now we've got orange, again for Romeo. And purple. And a yellow. And our last one is blue. That's for Catboy. So let's count up how much each team has. For PJ Masks, we have 1, 2, 3 gumballs. And Romeo has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Romeo won the gumball game. Ooh, red gumballs for me? Yummy. Wasn't that gumball machine so much fun? Yeah, Owlette, but I think you're talking with your mouth full and spilling some out. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, you're doing it again. Whoops, my mistake. I can't stop. Maybe I should put some of this on Romeo. Yeah, great idea. Let's sneak up on him. Hey, here he is. Shh. That's Marshall's magical pup house. You really shouldn't be going in there. Why not? It looks cool. First of all, it only works when Marshall's in it. Hey, what's going on here? Who's that? What is it to you? I'm Chase and I'm always on the case. Hey, Snowball, you're not very colorful, but would you like to practice learning your colors today? Oh, fine. How will we do it? With these cool Gumball Banks. Let me go get them. Here they are. There's a blue one, a green one, and a pink and red one. Let's get them out and get them started. Here they are. They look so cool. Let's get some gumballs in them. We'll start with the blue container. Let's open it up and pour them in. I'll just twist off the cap and open my bag of gumballs. Then I can just pour them in very carefully. It's just going to take 1 minute to get them all in. I'm trying not to let them fall. Super cool. Let's tighten the lid back on. Okay, now the same thing with our pink one. We'll twist off the cap and pour in our gumballs. So many bright colors. Here they all go. One at a time, guys. Let's use our funnel. That was quick.